Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're doing a Temu fall and winter clothes try-on haul. I found some modest but stylish pieces that are perfect for cold weather and all those cozy vibes. Believe it or not, some of the clothes I'm trying on today cost me $0. Yes, you heard that right, $0. Stay tuned to see how everything fits, how I style them, and how you can save when you shop your wardrobe on Temu. All the items are linked down below, including my discount code, so be sure to check the description. Let's start with this black and white ensemble. I'm going to pair this skirt with this blouse, and I'm also going to wear these black pointed toe heels. I happen to have the perfect bag that will complete this outfit. Let's try on this maxi skirt. I'll pair it with this black top, and you will see me pair this with my other skirts. According to the measurement guide, I'm a size large, but it turns out to be big for me. I was going to return it, but then I found out it's got pockets, so of course I have to keep it. As for the waist problem, I'm going to fix it simply by wearing a belt. I'll go for this bag because it has black and gold that will go with the belt. This is outfit 2, and I love it. I have gotten many items on Temu for $0 by playing games like Farmland. This red dress is one of them. It's a size medium and it fits perfectly. I love the pockets, of course. I'm going for a more casual look, so I'm wearing these boots. That's outfit number 3. Let's try on this dress. It looks cute on the model, but obviously not on me. I think the waistband is a little too high. I don't like how it's looking, but I'm not going to judge too early, so let's style it. These boots are so comfy and they elevate the look. Okay, I'm seeing potential in this dress, but there's still the waist part to fix. Normally I'd go for a belt with a solid collar that will match the boots, but I don't have that, so I'll go with this one. So I'm going to try to hide that waistline like this. I think that looks much better. To stay warm, I'm also wearing this sweater. I think this will work, but I feel like I'm missing something, so I'll add this bag because it will go with the belt. Here's the final look of outfit number 4. I have another sweater to try on. I love the embroidered flowers on this one, and I think it goes well with the dress. This will definitely keep me warmer than the first sweater. I also like that I don't have to wear the belt. Let's try on more items that literally cost me nothing. Check out this floral pleated skirt. I'm a size medium, but I got a size large because I want the skirt to be fuller and have more volume. I think it will go well with this brown crop sweater. I like my shoes to match my top, so I'll try these on. They're okay, but I don't like the lace on the boots, so I will try a different pair. I think that's perfect. How do you like outfit number 6? Okay, I tried that floral dress with this brown top, and look at that. This is outfit number 7, and it's my favorite so far. I have 2 more skirts to try on, plus another pair of shoes. If you want good quality items, check the reviews and rating. I don't usually buy anything below 4.8 rating, and that's a safe rule of thumb. So I had these shoes in my cart for a long time. I hesitated because they were $43. I took advantage of Temu's promos and discounts, and I actually got this pair plus other stuff for only $28. These maxi skirts I'm trying on next cost me about $20 each, and I will tell you that's actually a pretty good deal considering how nice they are. Again, this is a size large. I ordered one size up on purpose because I like more volume. I would pair the skirt with these brown shoes, also from Temu, but I'm wearing a black top, so I want my shoes to be black. The elastic band makes the skirt look cheap, so I'm wearing this belt to hide it. This is outfit number 8. I'm going to try a different belt. I might have gotten this from Temu as well, I don't remember, but this is one of my favorite accessories. It hides the waistband very well and also gives the illusion that I have a smaller waist. I like it, but I think it will look better on the other skirt. This is outfit number 9. I'm going to switch my black top to this pink turtleneck and try to go for a more casual look. Of course, I'm also going to wear a more comfy footwear. The belt is totally unnecessary, but I want my bag to have a relationship with my outfit, so the gold chain on the bag matches the gold buckles on the belt, if that makes sense. I am going to try on a few more casual outfits, starting with this maxi denim skirt. Whether it be a dressy top or a casual t-shirt, this skirt can be paired with anything. I'm wearing this top with bell sleeves. The sleeves are too long, but I think I can make it work. It is see-through, so I have another shirt underneath. And this is outfit number 11. I knew this green jumper dress came in plus size, and I was hoping I can still wear it like an oversized dress, but I don't think it's vibing with me. How would you style this? I'm going to try on a couple of sweaters and I'll pair them with this jean skirt and my favorite boots. This is my usual everyday get-up. I like dressing up, but I also like wearing clothes that I can put together in 1 minute. And there you have it. Let me know in the comments which outfit is your favorite.